11th one. A fair die is rolled. E equal to event E is 135, event F 23, G 2345. Find the probability of E given F, probability of F given E, probability of E given G. Like this we have to find. Now first we have to consider what is experiment. What is the experiment here? A fair die is rolled. A fair die is rolled. So what is sample space? Write sample space first. S equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a sample space. That is sample space. Now we have to consider here events are given as set. So it is easy. Each event is given as a set. So first we can find first one. Probability of E given F. Probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. That is equal to, first we have to find E intersection F. Then we can find this. So what is E intersection F? We can find that. E intersection F equal to, write the common elements of E and F. Here 1, 3, 5. Here 2, 3. So what is common? Only 3 is common. So only 3 is common. So E intersection F equal to set 3. Write as a set. Now directly we can find the probability. What is the probability of E intersection F? Probability of E intersection F is number of E intersection F. What is the number of elements in E intersection F? 1. 1 divided by total number of elements in the sample space. That is 6. 1 by 6. So probability of E intersection, that you write separately. What is probability of E intersection F? What is probability of F? Write the separately, then substitute here. I am writing directly. So probability of E intersection F is number of E intersection F, that is 1, divided by total number of elements in the sample space, that is 1 by 6, divided by probability of F. Number of elements in F, what is the number of elements in F? 2. 2 divided by total number of sample points, 6. So 6 cancel 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2. So first one, probability of E given F, 1 by 2. Now what is probability of F given E? Probability of F given E equal to probability of E intersection F or F intersection E. Both are same. So we can write E intersection F. Probability of E intersection F divided by here denominator probability of E. That is the difference here. In these two, here denominator probability of F. Here denominator probability of E. Only that is the difference. Equal to probability of E intersection F. That is number of elements in E intersection F. 1 divided by total number of elements in the sample space, 6, 1 by 6, divided by probability of E, number of elements in E. What is number of elements in E? 3. 3 divided by total number of sample points, 6. That is 1 by 3. So we got the first question. Probability of E given F, 1 by 2. Probability of F given E, 1 by 3. That we got. Now we can do the second one. Now second, we want to find probability of E given G. That is equal to probability of E intersection G divided by probability of G. Probability of E intersection G. So we want to find E intersection G. What is E intersection G? E intersection G. Common elements of E and G. What is common? Here 1, there 1 not there. 3 is here, 3 is there also. 5 is here, 5 is there also. So which are the common elements of E and G? That is 3 and 5. Common elements of E and G. 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. So 3, 5 is the common element. Now we can write directly the probability. Probability of E intersection G. Number of E intersection G. That is 2. 2 elements. 2 divided by number of elements in the sample space. Yes, divided by. Probability of G. Number of elements in G. 4 elements. 4 divided by. So here probability of E intersection G. 2 divided by total number 6. 2 by 6. E intersection G. 2 divided by total number of points 6. 2 by 6. Then probability of G. Number of G. That is 4 divided by total number of points 6. So 6 cancel. 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find probability of G given E. Probability of G given E equal to probability of E intersection G divided by probability of E, denominator. That is equal to probability of E intersection G. E intersection G, 2 elements are there. So 2 divided by 6 divided by probability of E, number of elements in E, 3. 3 by 6. So cancel 6, we get 2 by 3. So probability of E given G, 1 by 2. Probability of G given E, 2 by 3. Both are different. Then we can find the third one. So first we want to find probability of E union F given G. So that is equal to, by formula, what is that? That is equal to probability of E, probability of E given F. What is the formula? Probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. So here in the place of E, here E union F. So E union F intersection G. E intersection F. So here E union F intersection G divided by probability of G. That is the formula. Now we can find, first we want to find E union F intersection G. Then we can find the probability very easily. So what is that probability of, what is E union F? First find E union F. That means all elements of E and F. In E 1, 3, 5, here 2, 3. So write all the elements 1, 2, 3, 5. So write the elements of E and F all 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now we want to find E union F intersection G. So E union F intersection G. What is the common element of G and this? In G there are 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 5. So what are the common elements of E union F and G? 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2, 3, 5 is there. 4 is not common. So 2, 3, 5 is common elements. 2, 3, 5. Common elements of E union F and G. 2, 3, 4, 5 there. Here 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 common elements. So that is equal to, so now we can find the probability of this event. Probability of this event equal to number of elements in this event. What is the number of elements in this event? 3. 3 divided by total number of sample points, 6. Divided by probability of G. In G how many elements? 4. 4 divided by total number of sample points, 6. So 6 cancel, 3 by 4. So probability of E union F given G, that is 3 by 4. Similarly, we can find probability of E intersection F given G. So probability of E intersection F given G equal to probability of E intersection F intersection G. Same formula, probability of E given F, probability of E intersection F, E intersection F, that is E intersection F intersection G, divided by probability of G, denominator probability of G. So first we want to find what is E intersection F intersection G. All common elements of E, F and G. What are the common elements of? So first we can find. First find E intersection F. Till we see E intersection F. What is common elements of E and F? 1, 3, 5, 2, 3. So only 3 is the common element. 3. So common element of 1, 3, 5 and 2, 3. Only 3. Then we can find the common element of E intersection F intersection G. So common element of E intersection F and G. 3 is common. E intersection F and G, common 3. So G 3 is the common element. So here that is equal to 3. Now we can write the probability. Probability of this event equal to number of elements. Number of elements in this set by total number of sample points. So number of elements in this set. What is the number of elements in this set? Only one element. 1 divided by total number of sample points, 6 by. Now probability of G. How many elements in G? 4. 4 divided by number of sample points, 6. So 6 cancel, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is the probability. Okay.